Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Paloma if you're new, and I make fashion and lifestyle videos. Today we're going to be doing a Temu haul. They have reached out to me and I went ahead and ordered a couple of things for their website. So I'm going to be giving you guys an honest review. I feel like Temu has been very popular. I've seen a lot of different people on social media talk about it and shop from them, and I've heard some good things. And actually this is going to be an honest review because some of these things I've already been using it for a little while, so I can be transparent with you guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below, turn on your post notification, and make sure to like this video if you want more videos like today's. I got my little drink right here. It's non-alcoholic, so don't get crazy. It's so good. Let's go ahead and get started with the accessories. So I wanted to talk about this bracelet. This bracelet is super cute. It's a dupe of like the Cartier one. It's gold. It looks like the perfect dupe. Like, I seen this bracelet on a couple people before and it looks exactly the same. Like, it's super cute. Like, I feel like it just kind of umps your outfit. Like, you could have a watch on and put this bracelet on the same wrist and it looks really nice, or put it on the other hand and it still looks really nice. But I feel like gold for me is a staple. I love wearing gold things and that's why I got the gold one. But this is so cute and it's definitely giving Cartier dupe. I love this and this is like my go-to now. So definitely order some jewelry from them because they have a lot of cute options, like a lot. The other thing I got is these earrings I have on, and these earrings are super cute. I love the texture. The stud is like the perfect size. It's not too big, not too small. I'm more like of a stud girl. I don't wear too many hoops nowadays, but I feel like a cute stud is always a must in your closet, in your jewelry box. And this is perfect. Like, it looks literally like a real diamond, and it's not super expensive, and it still looks good. So yeah, a pair of studs, definitely necessary. These were super cute and affordable. I don't know how much they were on the website, but I'm sure they weren't over like $5–6. But these are adorable, and I really have just been wearing them ever since I got them because I'm always wearing studs, and I actually needed some, so this was perfect, and they're super cute. I definitely recommend them. Okay, now we can talk about this bag. So I think this is my favorite thing from everything that I got from them because it's just adorable. Look at the bag. It's so stinking cute. I love the gold on it. It's just giving luxe. And then the green, this color has been my favorite so far. Like, this past year, I've been obsessed with this color green. And it just has so much space. Like, it's not like, you know, sometimes you order bags and they just feel so cheap. Like, it doesn't feel cheap at all. I've actually been using it the past week or so, and it's just been amazing. It's the perfect fitting bag. The inside has so much space. I already have some things in there, but it looks so good. Like, look at it. It's so cute. I love this bag. The material feels good, and this has honestly been my go-to bag. This will be my bag when I have to go somewhere and bring my laptop to get some work done. I put my laptop in here, and the funny thing is my laptop fits great. I think it's a 15-inch MacBook, and it feels great in here. It fits great in here, and this is just a perfect size. The other day I had my MacBook, my notebook, maybe a couple snacks, my wallet, and literally it fit, and everything was perfect. Definitely the best item from this whole haul because I'm obsessed. It looks so cute on me. It looks so cute. All right, let's talk about my cute slippers. These are so adorable. I don't know what's been going on with me, but I've been obsessed with slippers. Like, I had ordered these from them. I bought some other ones at Marshall's the other day, and then I got like 2 more. They're all black, but they're so cute. But something with slippers, and these are so cute, super comfortable. I just like the design of it and the color. Like, they just look so luxury, and they fit perfect. What size are these? I don't know. These fit perfect. They're so cozy. Like, I love them. Like, they're in the rotation. I wear those, then I wear my other ones, and I wear like all 3 in one day. So those are part of the cute collection. Being home, being cozy, feeling cute, like, I love that. Like, I love being home and looking cute while still being home and being comfortable at the same time. Definitely love those. Those are so cute and they fit so good. I love them. So I ordered a couple house things, and I ordered this, this is so freaking cute. I'm gonna show you guys. I I am obsessed with this vase, guys. As soon as I got it, I cut up some flowers, put them in here. I don't have flowers right now. I have to go for my weekly run soon. But this is so cute. Like, this vase just adds like that extra oomph like that any house needs, especially a girly house. This is super cute. Put some flowers in here and it's just so adorable. I love like the little face, the posture, the pose she has going on. I just feel like it adds that extra like that extra spice that you need in your house. I have it on my kitchen counter and I put flowers on here, so I need to go get me some cute flowers so I could put them on there. But this is so cute, such a cute vase, and it was definitely not expensive at all. So as you can tell, everything on that website is pretty affordable, and you can go on there and just rack up on a lot of things and your cart will still not be as expensive as it would somewhere else. So go ahead and check them out, and I have a discount code for you guys as well down below. If you guys are interested in any of the items I mentioned, you guys could go on their website and use my discount so you guys could get some money off. But this vase is so cute, and I definitely want more of these, some in my room maybe, some in the bathroom, because this is so cute. All right, now we're gonna move on to the clothing part. So right now I have on this sleep gown, and it's actually from Temu, and it's so cute, so comfortable. It's giving like a Skims dupe, but it's so much more affordable, and I just love the way it feels. Like, it's so soft and it's super, super cute. So I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. This is a Skims dupe dress. It's super cute, super cozy. I love the way it feels. I love the way it fits. It's all the way down to my ankles. So I love that. Like, I feel like I'm at home, but still feeling sexy and like, you know, like, I just love this vibe. So this dress is super, super cute. And then I ordered a couple more things. Let me show you guys. So I got these cute PJs, guys. Look at the color. Like, they're so adorable, so cute. And I love it. Like, it's giving very luxury at home. And I love that feeling, like I said before. So this is super cute. The quality feels amazing. I haven't washed it or anything yet, but it's just super cute. The pants are long and high-waisted, but what I do is I could just fold them like 2 or 3 times and make them a little shorter to my liking. But I think this is the cutest PJ set. Like, it's blue, it's satin, it has the white. If you want to be home drinking your wine and just relaxing and looking cute, this is the perfect set. If you want to just look cute around the house for your man, this is also super cute. But yeah, I've been obsessed with matching sets, especially PJs, and I'm definitely going to be ordering me some more because they have a lot of cute options. But yeah, super cute, definitely a must-have. Let me show you what else I got. This is so adorable. So this is one of the other items that I ordered. And guys, when I tell you, the quality feels so good. Like, this is a good knitted sweater. Like, it's super cozy, super soft. Like, it feels so good. And then the skirt is super cute. I feel like this is the perfect like winter set. Like, if you're gonna go to visit family, or you're going to visit your boyfriend's family's house or your friend's house. Like, this is just so cute with some boots, some thigh-high boots, and some stockings or something, and you're ready to go. But honestly, the quality feels amazing. It's stretchy, it's not see-through, and it's just so cute. Like, I love this. I haven't worn it yet, guys, so I have to definitely wear it before winter ends, because it is March now. So winter's around the summer's around the corner, so we gotta get it together. But yeah, this is super, super cute. I love it. I feel like everything that they sent me had amazing quality. Everything was shipped super quickly, and like I said, I have a discount code for you guys below. If you guys were interested in anything I mentioned, go ahead and check it out. I'm going to show you guys some of the other items that I got, but they're already in my house, so come on, come with me. These are some of the items that I ordered. I ordered this, and it's actually like a 4-piece set, and it comes with 4 of these. So that one, this one, and I have 2 more in my boys' bathroom. And then I also got this, which this is super cute. I put on my little, what are these called? I put on my cotton pads and my floss in here. So I think this is super cute for the bathroom. I got this little thing right here, and it just helps hold the razor in place. I think this is super cute. I'm gonna get like all black amenities in the bathroom. So this is definitely a must. It just helps it stand, and it looks so nice. So guys, that is the end of my Temu haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I hope you guys love this video, and if you guys liked anything I spoke about in this video, I'll have everything linked down below, and I'll have my discount code so you guys can go ahead and use that. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Make sure to like this video if you guys would like more videos like this.